Hello, my name is Bayram Ali and I'm the Magnum Learn coordinator. We are hosting a Magnum workshop in collaboration with the university.
My name is Nanna Heitmann and I'm a Magnum associate photographer and a documentary photographer working especially Eastern Europe, Russia, Ukraine at the moment. So for the past 2 days I had the honor to come here to Berlin to have a workshop with the students. The student got an assignment to photograph a night in Berlin. So today we had a look at all those very different kind of work, which was very fascinating and interesting and inspiring to see how everyone has really their own visual language, their own personal signature, and working on very important projects.
Hi, my name is Yael Martínez. I am a photographer from Mexico, working with Magnum Photos. I think this kind of workshops are really good in terms of some assignments and techniques to develop narratives, trying to learn the skills, how to develop like an idea, how can they expand this idea in the future.
My name is Martín Quiroz, I'm from Chile. I'm doing the master in photography, going into my third semester. It's amazing the amount of information they gave us, see their work and their advices. It's amazing. Always it's good to hear from good photographers. They make you more inspired to keep working and research and keep looking for different subjects.
My name is Christian. I'm from the UE campus in Hamburg. I study photography. It's such a great pleasure and I feel very honored to participate in this very unique occasion. I can't be happier to meet Nanna and Yael in person and all the other people working with Magnum. Is such a really unique experience.
I'm Nguyen and I'm studying third semester at UE. I think the workshop was one of a kind experience to me because this is the first time that I see and I learn from a professional photographer who is not my teacher. And it was really meaningful to me to have critics from the photographer but also the group.
I'm Professor Michael Danner. I'm the head of the photography program at the University of Europe. I'm super happy that we have collaboration with Magnum Photos, Photography Collective. For the students it's always really good to see not only the professors, we are 4 professors here on the campus in Berlin, but to get some views from outside. Actually photographers that are active, photographing, doing editorials, doing commissions.
Hello, my name is Heike Ollertz. I'm a professor for photography at the UE and I'm also the Dean of the Faculty Art and Design, and we are here on our campus in Berlin. What you see in my background are students from our campuses in Hamburg and Berlin at our first Magnum workshop. I'm very thrilled about this new cooperation between UE and Magnum Photos. It's embedded in the Berlin Photo Week.